A typical University of Iowa student or small business owner. Anne Curbow doesn't make you choose. She started her own dog walking business the summer of her junior year, but her love of dogs started very early on in life.
I have loved dogs since I was a little kid. When I was 7, I got my first dog, and then I got my first puppy when I was a sophomore in high school.
This diverse student is a psych major, human relations minor, and receiving her Entrepreneurial Management Certificate.
It started purely out of boredom. I didn't have enough to do during the day, so I was missing my dogs really bad, and I called home and my mom had said, there are a lot of professors in Iowa City who are busy all day. Why don't you see if maybe they need a dog walker?
When this sole proprietorship turned into an official business, Must Walk Dogs took off.
I have a very superwoman, I can do it all attitude, and so I was like, I'll work it out, I'll figure it out. Well, I wasn't getting enough sleep. I really had to learn the importance of time management and being selective with my time. And it took me a while to figure out that sometimes that means making hard choices.
Her business continues to thrive, and if you're looking for someone to take care of your furry friend, check out mustwalkdogs.com. The experiences she has had starting her own business, combined with her certificate in entrepreneurship, give her an advantage when entering the workforce after graduation.